Okay, hey guys, Mike for Baby Girl. So, looks like we're out at the Revenge today. That's right, we're out at the Revenge now. If you got a chance to watch the last video, you know what's going on. Yeah, that's right. You know exactly what's going on. You know, we just put that second set in this hole right here. Yep. Got that finished up last time we were out, and we found a lot of gold. So, you know what today is? That's right, been waiting for this for a while.
Bulk test day! Bulk test day! Bulk test day! Bulk test day!
That's right. We're going to do that bulk test out here today and see how we do. So that's what's going to happen, guys. Stay tuned, because here we go. Got a couple special guests out here today. Oh, that's right. Look at that. Mama's here. Squirt, where you at, little buddy? Yeah, fam dam's out. So we're going to go ahead and do that bulk test today and see what happens, guys. So that's what's going on. Let me finish setting this thing up and we'll get on it. So what are we doing today? Well, I told you we're going to run that bulk test. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to go ahead and take this dirt that's down here. We're going to break it out, dig it up, classify it down for the 1/4 inch classifier right here. After that, we're going to take it up top. We've got the dry wash set up. We're going to dry wash it and test the cons, see what we end up with. Hopefully 9 buckets will be our set test. That'll give us what we're seeing per 1/4 yard, so that'll give me an estimate of what we're seeing out of yard. So here's where we're at. Pulled up 3 buckets already. For every bucket I pull up for pay to test with, we got a whole nother 5-gallon bucket of waste and whatnot. A lot of big cobbles down here mixed in with the small cobbles. So that's what we're doing. I'm trying to get up enough to do 4 buckets, run those, and run another 4 or 5. So that'll give us a 1/4 yard, or kind of knowing what we're at. So that's what's going on. The material's looking pretty good. It's starting to get a little bit darker. I can't tell if it's just because of rust staining or whatever is going on in the ground, but it looks like it's starting to get a little bit more blacker sands mixed in with it. So hopefully that's a really good sign. I know on the last video I just posted, the pan had some blacks in it that I seen, but I never seen the gold until I did the edits. So I'm hoping maybe with running this bulk test we'll see a really big numbers on it, or at least something like that. So that's what I'm hoping for, guys. Anyway, we're just digging this material up. Sorry, it's really tight in here. Scooping it out, putting it in the classifier, classified down, dump all the waste rock over the other bucket, and then that's how we're doing it. 1 scoop at a time. So as you can see, here's the rocks that were coming out. A lot of them got a lot of smooth edges on them and stuff like that. Some of them are a little bit more angular. But you can see it's a little bit of both. So for the naysayers that all the rock's angular, yes, some of it's angular, some of it's round. It's just how it happens to come out down here. But that gives you a good idea of what the rock looks like coming out of here. We've got the dry wash set up here. Got buckets of material ready to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up and go ahead, get these ran, and then we'll go back in the hole and get some more out. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna get fired up. Let it roll. Okay guys, so what we did is we just ran that first 4 buckets. Weather's getting mighty shitty out here. It's in between snow and rain, sleet. I mean, everything's just kind of going to hell. But you see behind us here, we've got the drywall set up underneath another tent. We're going to try to pull another 4 more buckets out of there. I know it's not quite the 9 I want, but I don't know how much longer this weather's going to hold out, so that's what I'm going to push for. As you can tell, I'm kind of like half wet, half sweat, half rain. Go figure, right? Welcome to Nevada. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Okay guys, we're back in the hole again. Just knocked a bunch of water on the phone and the camera, so trying to get rid of all the water sitting on the tents. Hey, anyway, gotta love the weather here. Wait 5 minutes, it'll change. Anyways, I'm gonna go run these 3 buckets, get the cons out of those. If the weather stays decent, I'll try to pan them out here. Now we'll take them home and see what we end up with. And that's how we get it out. Okay guys, as you can see, kind of like right through there, back this way, that's what we took out. That's what we ran the bulk test on. Started getting real powdery way back over here, so I figured we wouldn't see much of that. We did find gold though. Visible pieces, so that was a good thing. I'll get them to the house and get them cleaned up, but the easiest way for me to do it was just suck the whole mess up into here and just we'll go through it and clean it out when we get home and go from there. Okay, so hey guys, so we did find gold today. Smaller pieces again, but we ran them through the dry wash here. We did pick up pieces, so that's not super small pieces, but it was decent enough to catch there, so that's definitely good. We got to clean this mess up. The weather here has been off and on. If you can look just like right here on the hillside there, right over there, yep. Snow up there, snowed earlier down here, rain, now the sun's out shining. Can't never bet on Nevada winter, that's for sure. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean this mess up. We'll go ahead and check the bottle when we get home and pull out the gold out of it. As far as that, I'll see you guys back at the house. Hey guys! Okay, so check it out. We went out today and we did that bulk test today. It was very great. We had good results on it. I got some great pictures of some fly poop. That's right, guys. So I want to kind of explain what's going on or what I'm thinking in the back of my head, because I get a lot of people that are asking me, well, how far is bedrock? How far is bedrock? So here's the 2 scenarios. Okay, so I'm trying to break this down the best I can, guys. So I'm trying to hold you off on the chalkboard here. As soon as I figured out what I did with my dang chalk. Okay, so we have 2 scenarios, 2. Through the ages, we had multiple floods like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up there, whatever flood it was. And as those floods brought down more and more material, there is some that will bring down gold and there's some that's not. So we could be saying we're hitting one here that happens to have some gold material in it. I don't think that's necessarily it, but it's a possibility. That's number 1. So then determining where bedrock's at, don't know. So, scenario number 2. That's right, scenario number 2. And this is the one I think we're at. So, with finding more and more fly poop, and knowing it's gold, knowing it's gold. Okay, not no guessing or not figuring it. I know it's gold. You can't mistake it. So, knowing it's gold, we have on the upper, far up toward the mountainside, they had an X amount of overburden there. Then you'll have your small layer of pay dirt Okay? Then you'll have your bedrock here. Now, with that bedrock, starting right here at the bottom of the pay dirt, that pay actually goes way down into the bedrock and comes all the way up to here before that overburden. I think we're starting to scratch the surface up here. I think. If that's the case, which I'm hoping it is, if that's the case, guys, we will probably be somewhere between 6 to 10 feet from bedrock. That's where we should be at. So another collar, bam, we're drifting. So that's what's going on, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you haven't got a chance to check any other ones out, check them out, man. It's the whole entire progress from point A to point B where we're at now. So check them out, guys. So this is Mike from Baby Girl. I'm out tonight. This is my last thing I got to do before I can go to bed because it's late already. So if you haven't had the opportunity to subscribe yet, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. Click. Yep. And if you really like the action, hit that ding-a-ding-ding. Yep, that's right. Hit that bell icon too. That way you'll be notified every time we make a video, guys. Okay, I'm out. See you next time.